Hello there, how are you? Welcome back. Well, I purchased this Shark AI vacuum off of Facebook Market for $60, brought it home, plugged it in, and it had the bad battery light. So I flipped it over, got my numbers off of the information panel on the Shark. I also looked at the battery itself just to make sure what I was purchasing was correct. Purchased a new battery off of Amazon. And now it is time to actually get it installed and see if it will solve the issue. So the old batteries are pretty cool. They have a little lift tape to actually lift them up and out. And then it's like a little clothespin connector down there. You just pinch it and pull up and it comes straight out. Really very simple, easy to do. Anybody can do this. That's just a closer look at it. With that being said, got the new battery. Go ahead, push the battery down in there, get it to kind of clip in place. You'll hear a little snap and you'll also feel it when it's seated in place. It's not like, oh my gosh, that's so obvious. So don't panic. Just give it maybe a slight little tug just to verify that you actually got it to snap in place. And there you heard the little click. So that's done. Slide the battery down in there and then just reinstall the battery cover. Simple Phillips screwdriver is all you need to change out the battery. So between the filters, the battery, and the actual vacuum itself, I'm all in for right around 120 bucks for basically a $350 vacuum, which is not bad. Put it on the charging station. All the lights showed that it was charging and working. Of course, I needed that instant gratification, so I actually hit the button to see if it would clean. And this little rascal just started scooting along the floor and cleaning, and the brushes going like no tomorrow. So there you have it. Have an absolutely wonderful and blessed day. I'll see you later.